don't know where to go.
Oh, come on! Before Shifu changes his mind. I heard that. Just kidding! Hey, buddy, can you give us a hand with these doors?
Hey, right where you are. We'll let you in momentarily. We're just gonna wipe through a bit. Where do you two?
Hey, everybody, are you ready to go? Okay, guys, go up! Oh, Dad, let me help you. Oh, you're such a good son.
Oh, hey, you there, Mr. Panda Fingers. Be careful with that.
Hang on, everybody.
Places. Let's put on the show. Hey, where's my macchiato? Hey, everybody, get ready for the Donkey and Shrek show.
You mean the Shrek and Donkey show?
You're both wrong. It's the Madagascar show.
Oh, come on. I know you all are here to see me, right?
If you folks came to see anybody, you came to see me.
But I'm the cutest. I'm the sweetest.
I hate to break it to you, but we're doing a Kung Fu Panda show.
Say what?
Says everybody here, right?
Yeah.
In front, and maybe that family over there. They're obviously Kung Fu fans. Look! The helmet and that's Thundering Rhino.
Oh, I see your thundering rhino and raise you one talking donkey.
Wait, look at this. The Sword of Heroes.
Oh, aren't we hoity-toity fancy?
And the coolest thing of all, the Ming Hammer. A relic so powerful, it can knock you into the spirit realm. Check, please. I can't compete with that.
Hold it. Oh, you just received a message from
The Emperor! Ooh. My clever son has been asked to make a special delivery for the Emperor.
How do you know that?
Simple. I read his mail.
Is that the delivery?
Oh, that looks important.
It's more than important. This is the liquid of ultimate power.
Well, if the Emperor needs that delivery, then we'll make sure he gets it. Right, guys?
Absolutely. But we may not all survive.
Okay, good luck with that.
Puppy reporting for duty.
She said duty. Sorry, guys. I think we may need some warriors that are a little, bigger.
Aww. Wait, I know something fun. Let's have a tea party.
That's the boat.
Ooh, how about if you guys come us back up?
You're serious.
This is gonna be great. Meet you inside. I must have that liquid. Oh, with the Ming Hammer, the liquid of ultimate power will be mine.
Where is it?
I don't know where to go.
Oh,
Come on! Before Shifu changes his mind. I heard that. Just kidding. Hey, buddy, can you give us a hand with these doors?
Hey, right where you are. We'll let you in momentarily. We're just gonna wipe through a bit. Where do you two?
Yeah. Thank you. Wow. Perfect. Awesome. Thank you.
This is Master Shifu. Please step all the way into the
Oh.
theater. The Emperor is waiting.
I know. How can I walk? Do I have to hold on there?
Any seat, folks. It is the first come, first serve. Once again, choose any seat, up or down. All seats are available. Just please make
나도 디즈니 그지? Hey, 나도 디즈니.
I know that.
Hey, everybody, are you ready to go? Okay,
Yeah.
guys, go up. Oh, Dad, let me help you. Oh, you're such a good son.
Oh, hey, you there, Mr. Panda Fingers. Be careful with that.
Hang on, everybody. It is with great pleasure. Fire King, really? I will defeat you in the spirit realm.
Oh my gosh.
That's a thing. You're outnumbered 3-1. Not for long. Give me that bottle. Oh, no, you don't, King. You're no match for my hammer. I'm coming, Dad. Think again. Choose Panda, your father, or the bottle. Here it comes, Dad.
The Dragon Warrior!
I'm sorry. I lost your special delivery.
You are my special delivery.
Wait, me?
Then what was in that bottle?
The secret ingredient to my outfit.
Dad, your hot sauce is awesome!
And your tongue is as formidable as your kung fu.
Yeah, well, I've had a lot of training. Oh, I almost forgot! Bye, guys!
But we didn't move.
Yeah. magic mirror on the
Awesome.
wall.
Can I get our hammer? Is that Toro hammer? Yeah, Toro hammer.
Magic mirror.
Awesome.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe me.
Don't forget the thumbs up.